Yes, yes. Good
Good
evening. How
evening,
are
ma'am.
you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. What about you?
I'm doing good too. So, how are you, Pradeep?
I'm pretty good, ma'am. And I would let me introduce myself. Uh,
Yes, yes,
I'm
please.
I'm Pradeep from Andhra Pradesh, which is in the southeastern part of India, and I'm pursuing BTech third year in the stream of civil engineering. And coming to my hobbies, I I like reading books, watching movies, and watching web series like Friends, and that's it, ma'am.
Oh, friends. Friends is nice. That's nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes,
Pradeep, this we are not going to put this as an interview round. We will be talking about your English and we will keep this communication very simple.
okay.
All right.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So, Pradeep, which year are you in? Which year?
Third year, ma'am.
Third year.
B3
You have 4 years.
engineering third year.
4 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, great, great. You wanted to become an engineer only?
No, ma'am, it's not my stream, but
No?
no, I want to be. I don't have any particular goal. I have to
Goal. Okay.
select. Yes.
Okay. So you just chose to be an engineer because you thought that it's a good profession and you can get a good job.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. That's nice. So what all are your subjects?
Subject civil engineering.
I have no idea about what all you study. So you tell me.
It's about constructing and management, planning, and estimation and costing about the building.
About the
That's the
buildings.
job.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice. That's
And
nice.
also there are many streams like water resource engineering, hydrology.
Okay, okay.
That's all.
That's nice. That's nice. So
These
it's
are all the
interesting.
part of engineering.
Okay. It's interesting or it's
Yes, ma'am.
difficult? Interesting.
Yes, it's quite
Oh,
interesting. Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. So Pradeep, tell me something more. Where do you stay? Who all are there in your family?
Uh, I'm I stay in a remote village. It's in Vishakhapatnam, and
Okay,
we are the family of four members: mom, dad,
okay,
and brother and I.
okay,
A
okay.
little brother, he's studying second class now. There is
Oh,
so
okay, okay, okay. That's nice. Okay, okay,
and
great.
that's it. My father is a farmer, and
Okay,
my mother is she helps uh, in the farm works
okay. She helps your
with my
father in
father.
the farm work.
With my father.
Okay, okay, okay. That is nice. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
nice, Pradeep. Great, great, great. So you have friends also? You
Yes, ma'am. I
okay?
have.
That's nice.
Uh, a, f- a friend of mine suggested Clappingo, and uh, I have seen your conversation with him too. His name is
Okay, that's
Vijay.
nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, that's nice. That's nice. Great. So how this is your demo session, right? This is
Yes, ma'am.
great, 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 Pradeep. So Pradeep, apart from reading and apart from watching Friends, what all other things you do and
I
studying
listen
also?
to music.
Oh,
Listen to
music.
music, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of music? Bollywood or
That's
Hollywood?
Telugu, actually Telugu songs. I'm a Telugu guy. I don't
Oh,
understand Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
So
Okay.
I listen to Telugu songs. Sometimes
Okay.
Hindi too. I know Ashiki songs, and from the Bollywood I watch Disney movies. Hollywood.
Okay. Hollywood. Oh, that is nice. I think watching Hollywood movies and listening to English songs will increase your vocabulary also. So maybe that is
Okay.
also one reason that you like doing it. That is good,
Yes.
Pradeep. That is good. So Pradeep, tell me something. Which part of English do you think is your weakness, or you need to work on it?
It's a speaking part, ma'am.
And little
I'm
confidence?
Yes, ma'am. Confidence. I am not confident while speaking, and I I don't get words while I'm speaking.
Okay.
I
You
stuck
are
while speaking.
okay. You fumble? Do you fumble while you
Uh,
speak?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Pradeep, I think to start with, you can do you like to write?
No,
No, no, you don't. Okay, it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. What you can do is, Pradeep, now whatever you want to communicate, like
okay.
you in the beginning of the session, you asked me or you told me that I will introduce myself. Like you spoke those three, four sentences, you have to speak them continuously, not that blah 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 like that. It's important that in
Okay.
English, when you say like my name is Neha, so I say my name is Neha, then I give a little pause, then I say I stay in so and so place, then
Okay.
little pause, I have these many people in my family, so like that. So your pauses can be worked upon that ways. When you
Okay.
know what you have to speak, then it is easier for you. Need not rush.
Okay.
I'm sure all the sessions of clapping go when you take, I think the speakers are there to listen to you and we are there to guide you, motivate you. Yes, there will be little mistakes that we are going to point you out then and there so that you can make a note of them and then you don't
Okay.
repeat them, right?
Okay.
Right? So
Yes.
speaking
Yeah.
and fumbling and giving pauses, they are all part of the learning process. You will overcome them. Yes?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, I will.
Great. So
Yes,
so
ma'am.
so Pradeep, tell me which is your favorite Telugu movie and give me say two lines about the movie. Give me a gist of the movie. What happened in the movie? Just a 1 or 1.5 minute.
I have lot of favorite Telugu movies, and I would like to say about Sirivennala, a Sirivennala movie. It's a blind guy, but he is so passionate in music and playing flute.
Mm-hmm.
Even though he is blind, uh, uh, with the motivation of the heroine thing,
Heroine. Okay.
she explains she explained the things in the nature by touching, and he will get it, and uh, without any without taking any classes in Carnatic music, he can able to play many ragas by enjoying every particle in the nature,
Okay. 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 So
and
she's the
he will be
heroine of the
famous.
movie. The
Yes,
girl is
ma'am.
the heroine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Great. So it was a love story?
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Okay.
it's a lot about Carnatic music and ragas, and
Music.
even though he is blind, he can feel the nature and play the ragas in the music
In the music. Okay, that's nice. Okay.
without learning it.
Without
It just came out naturally, yes, from him.
okay. Okay, that is nice. That's nice. Pradeep, you mentioned you would you like me to correct you here? Little correction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You said
I would love to.
that the boy liked the music,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
That is what you said. It is the boy had an inclination or towards music. Towards
Okay,
is towards it, right?
okay.
You
Yes,
got
ma'am.
that? All right.
Yes, ma'am. I
So
understood.
you need
Yes.
yes, I think you have people around you that you can speak English with, that you can practice English with.
Yes, ma'am. I have a friend. He is very good at
Oh,
English.
okay, that's nice. That's nice. Pradeep, you will have to speak fluent English, and because your friend is speaking in English, then you always catch hold of him and tell him to listen to you. And we are, of course, there for the sessions. See, you have to form the sentences
Okay, ma'am.
and you have to say it slowly, 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 slowly. Let the
Okay, ma'am.
listener listen to you, listen to every word that you're speaking, right? I think there's
Okay, ma'am.
some. help needed on the sentence formation. Rest.
Okay.
And like Pradeep, when I'm talking to you, then I'm not looking here and I'm not looking there. So I am looking at you. So when I look at you,
Yes,
that means I am talking to you. So you will feel that yes, Neha is talking to me because she's looking at me. She's paying attention to me. In school, and
okay.
the teacher used to tell us that look at the blackboard. And we used to wander here and there that when will
Yes,
the class get over? It's getting so boring. So even the teacher used to take that piece of chalk and
yes, ma'am.
throw it at us. That why are you not seeing me? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we speak and when we talk, so we feel that
I'm
the
searching
listener.
for the words in the air,
I
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I know, but we are always there to give you words. Another very good thing, Pradeep, that you can do.
Okay, ma'am.
We have the internet now. It's the internet's time. So you can very easy words from the internet. Just Google
Okay.
and start using those words when you are speaking to your friend, when you're attending sessions with us here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So with that,
Okay.
there will be two things. A, your vocabulary will increase, right? And B,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
confidence to talk. When you know that these are the words that I have to talk on my clapping go session with my friends or at my college, so then English will come into you automatically,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Right?
Okay.
So tell me something more. I want you to speak. This is our demo session, so I want you to tell me another thing about you.
There is nothing more. I am just not confident while speaking. Actually, before the session, I kind of prepare myself. Like, no, don't be
Okay.
rash and be calm, be confident. Like I just
Mhm.
talk my, but it all went to hell.
That's
I
that's all right. That's all right.
okay.
Before the session, you prepared yourself to talk, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this was your first session. But it's all right, Pradeep, because it was the first session, so you had to take some time out. You were also thinking who the speaker is going to be, how is he or she going to talk, right? We all have those first instincts there in our minds. That is
Okay.
not a
Yes.
problem, Pradeep. I think you can go ahead with it and
Okay, ma'am.
speak. I would say, uh, don't feel shy in talking. Speak, even if initially you're not speaking very well, you're not very confident, you fumble or you stop at words. There are more pauses, but it is going to be all right. It's
Okay, ma'am.
going to be all right only when you give in more effort towards it. You're already doing half the work. You're watching English series, so you see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
captions running
Yes, ma'am.
below,
I without
right?
subtitles I can't understand. Yes, ma'am.
Great. That's really good. That's really good. Then you're listening to English songs also. So these are two very good things. And Friends. Oh my God,
Yes,
you've
ma'am.
seen
Friends.
Friends. That is
Yes, I
awesome.
love to watch Friends. I can
Yes.
enjoy the.
That is the best series I think that has come for
Yes,
all
ma'am. It's one.
the generation of people, I think. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. Yes.
Great. So Pradeep, when in the next session, when we meet or when you have some other speaker, then you're going to talk about yourself for 2 minutes,
Okay, ma'am.
right? You will stand in
Okay, ma'am.
front of the mirror and you will prepare yourself for your next session,
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
You'll do that?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Great.
I'll do it. I'll do that.
Wonderful. Okay, Pradeep, then we will meet next time then because the time is also going to be cut.
Yes,
Yes,
it's on.
you want to ask me something else regarding anything? You tell me, please.
Just tips to overcome the fear, nervousness. Then
That will
what to
also
do?
happen, Pradeep. I told you, you have to start talking to yourself. You speak to yourself in the mirror, and wherever you fumble or wherever you think that I don't have a word for it, stop, go in the beginning of the sentence, restart,
Okay.
start again.
Oh,
I will start again,
okay.
and again when you fumble, go back. And then Pradeep, do lots of reading. Reading will
Okay.
really help you increase your vocabulary. Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And then Claplingo is there. We are there for the sessions. And the next
Yes,
round,
ma'am.
you're going to talk about yourself with, and
Okay, ma'am.
don't come too much prepared, okay? It's going to be on the
Okay, ma'am.
spot. I will give you a topic on the spot next time.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, Pradeep?
Thank- Okay. Okay. Nice to meet
Uh,
you.
great, great.
My
Same here,
pleasure to
Pradeep.
meet you.
Same here. Take care. We'll meet soon.
Thank you,
Bye
ma'am. You
bye.
too. Bye, ma'am.